Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve this question that is in, you can find this question on Geeks for Geeks practice section. So you will see this question there. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. So here the question is print 1 to n without using loops. So the condition is we won't use loop, but then how we are going to do this? So the concept that we are going to use in this video is recursion. So what is recursion? Recursion is nothing like, if see here, it provided me a method that is the method name is print nos, and it is taking a parameter. That the parameter is a local variable, a name n of integer data type. So it is providing me a method already. So if I apply recursion on this method, then what will happen is this method will recall itself till a certain condition. As simple as that. If someone asks you what is recursion, means it will recall itself till a certain condition. So that is recursion. So pretty simple. So how we are going to do this? If the input is 10, then my output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. If the user give me input 5, then my output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the task. So what, let's start. First, inside the method we will start writing our code. First we will give a condition. What condition is? See here, every time it is starting from 1 ending to the nth, starting from 1 ending to the nth, means my n, this local variable, my n, whenever my n becomes 0, just terminate the recursion. Just terminate the recursion and return me the result. Return me the result. This is my condition. Whenever my n value reaches to 0, just terminate that function recursion and give me the result. Now, what result? On what basis? Where the code went? On what basis? See. Now we are going to write this method, because we have to apply recursion on this method itself now. So we will be writing this method. So here n os, okay. Here we are not going to take n, because we are not, wait, the screen is stuck. Wait, here we are going to take n minus 1. Okay, now we will apply recursion on this method. That's why I wrote this method name. Right, now I'm going to print what, my n, and I need some space here, so I will give here space. Now let's see, my code is complete. See, this was this easy. So let's compile and run. See the output here. Compilation completed with no error. Congratulations. Now we are going to submit this code. See here, all the test cases is passed. So this was this much easy. So I will be making a lot of video on Geek for Geeks practice also. So, somebody told me that I should make on this also. So if you want more video on Geek for Geeks practice questions, so just ping me or comment, mention me in the comment section. I will make sure that I will make some videos like this also. Right. So goodbye guys. We will be meeting in another video. So I hope you like this video and share this video as much as possible. So bye bye and happy learning.